Hi, welcome to Sensus Electronics. Sensus Electronics is basically into education technology for last 5 years. We are basically the manufacturers and designers of interactive intelligent panel. Since 2019, we have presence in more than 7,000 classrooms in 700 schools. We have gained almost 70% of the market share from 2013. Let me introduce our interactive panel. This is a integrated solution where we have a display, the CPU, the speaker and the touch interfaced together. The new system comes up with a narrow bezel which is not even wide as half an inch. The touch sensors are good enough to even capture as thin as 0.5 mm of object. The speakers also comes up with front firing speaker as well as a bottom subwoofer which generates almost 45 watt of audio output. This product is energy saver designed, so this has a very low power consumption. It doesn't consume more than 200 watt of power. This is also one of the system which is being certified with zero radiation. Let me introduce to our new whiteboard software. We call this as EasyBoard 2.0. Allows you to write the way you write it on your whiteboard. You can select any of the pen, you can use any of the color to write it. If you want to make your classroom session a little more interesting, then probably you can insert any sort of image, video to your whiteboard session. So we also have something called the shape recognition. If you make tentatively a triangle, it will recognize as a triangle. If you make a circle, tentatively a circle, it will recognize as a circle. Now we do also have shapes in which you can get the measurement. So you have to just draw the line and you get measurements along with that. This entire whiteboard session you can save it. Now we have also come up with a save option where you can save the entire whiteboard session in all this format, and this also goes to the cloud. So the advantage is that the teacher can even publish to the students the entire whiteboard session, and even they can restrict the usage of whiteboard session which is being published across in the cloud. Our whiteboard also have a feature where you can search anything which is written on the whiteboard directly on the Google, Wikipedia and YouTube. So let's see how we can do that. So I select the text which I would like to search. I press it on this option where you can see the three options being shown across the Google, the YouTube and Wikipedia. I would also like to show a feature called the splitter. With the splitter you can in fact split the screen of the whiteboard, and any application you can load it on the other side of it. So right now for the example's sake, I have loaded Word document. So you can annotate on the screen as well as you can move or manipulate any of the document which is on the other side. It can be anything. It can be a Word document, Excel sheet which you want to show it together. So this panel also comes up with a special remote. This is a wireless remote which has microphone, the mouse and the pointer inbuilt as a feature. Apart from EasyBoard, the panel also comes up with two add-on software. One is EasyTalk and the another one is SenseWatch. Now, EasyTalk is basically a classroom addressing software. So wherever you have the panel in the classroom, you can address from a common place or from the administrative room, where not only the student can hear your voice but also can see directly on the interactive panel. Now talking about SenseWatch, it's basically a classroom monitoring system. So the school administrator sitting at their own place can watch all the activities happening in the classroom right on the screen as well as on the class. There are many other tools, the features and add-on software along with this interactive panel. If you want to have a detailed understanding of this product, please get in touch with us.